Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Cam Info. Today our topic is Nikon Sony A1 Beater 8K 45MP coming in spring summer report. So let's get started. Nikon will release an 8K camera that will become the new high end of the Nikon Z lineup this year, countering the bombshell of the Sony A1 announcement. That's according to a new report in the wake of the Sony A1, the new 8K 50MP 30 fps camera that will start shipping in March, stating the Nikon will return file with its own 8K camera likely to have the same 45MP sensor as the Nikon Z7 II. Nikon has put significant resource into improving their sensor at the 20MP and 24MP and 45MP points for the next few cameras they will announce, writes technology insider Tom Hogan. More pixels will come later and it may be more than you expect. This tallies with previous report that Nikon is using the 61MP Sony sensor found in the Sony A7R4 in an upcoming camera of its own, perhaps the Nikon Z8. However, that will be distinct high-resolution body much like the A7R4, and the 8K camera in question will feature in the same resolution as the Z7 II, likely to keep it competitive with the likes of the Canon EOS R5 in terms of speed. Indeed, it will pack the same number of pixels. Hogan says that Nikon 8K camera will shoot faster than this Z7 II, modest 10 fps top speed. We certainly hope it at least meets and preferably exceed the 40 fps benchmark of the Nikon D6 and Nikon Z2. Hogan also states that the new camera will have a different body to the Z7 II, along with more control, more performance, suggesting a possible form factor more in line with the D6. As for whether the Nikon 8K camera will be a match for the Sony A1, Nikon's target are little different Sony's, but I am comfortable in saying I think that the camera as it has been described to me would be entirely satisfying to the Nikon faithful in one way. It might be seen as better. He speculates that new camera will see release in the last spring after the annual financial result or early summer. And of his source correct, we can't wait find out more. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Cam Info for more videos. Thank you for watching.